The following bar graph shows the length, in letters, of the names of 19 people. 7 names have 3 letters. 3 names have 4 letters. 1 name has 5 letters. 4 names have 6 letters. And 4 names have 7 letters. What is the median length of these names? The choices are 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's picture the data as a bar graph. Along the bottom is the name length, from 3 to 7 letters. The height of each bar is how many people have a name of that length. 7, 3, 1, 4, and 4. The median is the middle value. There are 19 names in all. When we line them up in order from shortest to longest, the middle one is the 10th value, because it has 9 names on each side. Now let's count through the bars in order. The 7 names of length 3 take positions 1 through 7. The 3 names of length 4 take positions 8, 9, and 10. So the 10th name has length 4. The 10th value lands in the group of length 4. So the median length of these names is 4.